Just that one word can change your impression. Perfect for beginners and kids. Conversation with friends. Are you fine? That is a bit unnatural. What should I say? How are you doing? How are you doing? What are you doing now? That is a bit direct. What sounds natural? What are you up to? What are you up to? Where are you? That might sound rude. What should I say instead? Where are you at? Where are you at? I go now. That sounds a little off. What is more natural? I am on my way. I am on my way. Wait. That sounds a bit strong. How can I say it politely? Just a second. Just a second. It is okay. That sounds a bit cold. What do people usually say? That is fine. That is fine. Impossible. That sounds a bit harsh. What should I say? That is hard. That is hard. I do not know. That sounds a little rude. What sounds natural? I am not sure. I am not sure. How about this? That is too casual. How should I say it? What do you think? What do you think? Sounds good. That is a bit plain. What is more natural? That sounds great. That sounds great. Later. That sounds blunt. What is the better phrase? Let us talk later. Let us talk later. I am busy now. That is a bit direct. What should I say instead? I am a bit busy. I am a bit busy. See you. That sounds a bit short. What sounds natural? See you later. See you later. I can go. That sounds a bit cold. What do people usually say? I can make it. I can make it. I am looking forward. That is a bit unnatural. What should I say? I am looking forward to it. I am looking forward to it. I am a bit busy. I am a bit busy. See you later. See you later. I can make it. I can make it. I am looking forward to it. I am looking forward to it. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.